Hello everyone, I'm here today to review this 10-head muscle massager. So I've been wanting one of these for sore muscles and this looked like a very good value. So I'm going to unbox it and go ahead and review it. I can't wait to get started. It comes in this nice carrying case. It's a big gun, but the case is small and is pretty lightweight. So you can carry it with you to the gym or it's easy to access in your car. So it comes packed very well. I like this packing material. Guarantees good condition. And here we have the massage gun itself. So let's go ahead, take a look. It's a very solid construction. So you select your attachment and you simply place it in. It's very easy. Just give it a firm push and it's in. So to turn the device on, there's a switch down here at the bottom. So simply move that over and then your display lights up. So you can see two numbers here. The first one, 80, that's how much battery life you have. And the second one is the setting or the speed of the machine. So as you increase it, it starts and you can go ahead and there are 20 different speed settings. So you can move it all the way up to 20. And I want to point out this is 20. This is the highest setting, and it's still very quiet. So it's very discreet, not very noisy, a nice silent machine, but still a lot of power to it. All right, there's a big variety of attachments that you can add, 10 in total. All right, this is the U-shaped attachment. As I said earlier, it's good at getting around the bones. So you can have it on either side of your shin bone and really target the fine muscles on each side of it. It works really well. So here you can place it on your muscle. It's a very good machine. As you can see, it's getting a lot of stimulation. It's shaking the entire muscle. So it'll penetrate throughout your whole arm. Very good product. This is the curved head. It's good for your larger muscles. So it really wraps around and it shakes the whole muscle. And the charging is very easy and simple. So it uses your standard USB, so you can charge it almost anywhere. You simply plug it in here. This is your micro USB, and then you can plug your USB into your computer or any other USB charger you have. It's strong, powerful, but still not too heavy, a nice lightweight. So altogether, this is only $34.99, which I think is a very good value.